Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies for business. We will focus on a proven method to ensure your brownies are consistently delicious and profitable. First, select premium ingredients like rich cocoa powder and real butter for an unforgettable flavor profile. Next, understand the precise ratios to achieve that perfect fudgy texture every single time. This foundation is essential for building a loyal customer base and growing your baking enterprise. For exceptional brownies, ingredient quality is paramount. Opt for unsweetened, natural cocoa powder to achieve a rich, intense chocolate flavor that stands out. A key ratio for that coveted fudgy texture is 1 part butter to 1 part granulated sugar. Incorporate 2 large eggs for every cup of all-purpose flour to provide the perfect structure without making them cakey. These precise measurements ensure consistent results batch after batch, which is vital for your business. Achieving the perfect bake is critical for business-grade brownies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. A crucial tip: avoid overmixing the batter once the dry ingredients are added. This prevents gluten development and keeps your brownies tender. Always allow your brownies to cool completely, ideally for several hours or overnight, before cutting them into uniform squares for a professional presentation. Effective packaging and scaling are vital for a successful brownie business. Choose attractive, food-safe packaging that reflects your brand and keeps your brownies fresh. Develop an efficient system for producing large batches consistently, perhaps using larger pans or multiple ovens. Finally, meticulously calculate your ingredient costs per brownie to ensure accurate pricing and healthy profit margins. These steps will help you grow your business sustainably and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.